Quick guide: replace the MacBook Pro 14-inch early 2023 battery in under a minute. Gather tools: pentalobe, tri-point and Torx drivers, plastic spudger, adhesive remover, and a magnetic mat. Power down, unplug, and ground yourself with an anti-static strap before opening the case. Remove all bottom case screws, keep them organized by position. Lift the lower case, then disconnect the battery connector immediately. Soften adhesive with low heat or adhesive remover, do not overheat the chassis. Peel adhesive strips slowly, pull in a straight, steady motion to avoid tearing. If a strip breaks, continue carefully and use adhesive remover to loosen residual glue. Use a plastic spudger to separate the battery from the chassis, avoid puncturing the cells. Place the replacement battery, align the tabs and connectors, and seat it flat. Reconnect the battery connector and confirm the latch is fully engaged. Replace the lower case and reinstall screws. Tighten to manufacturer torque specifications. Power on and verify battery health, then recycle the old battery responsibly.